Hello! Welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a sway barrier. Obviously knowing how to do a sway already be really useful, and I would recommend knowing how to do a first move barrier, which is an easier barrier move. It might even be useful if you know how to do a Swizzlestick, because there's some similarities there as well. I'll put links to all those things in the description below, so if you want to go back and have a look at any of that stuff, it'll be easy for you to find. But if you're ready to rumble, it goes like this. It goes 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So let's break it down. It starts off like a standard sway. We go back, we go wrap, picking up the spare hand, we sway the lady back. So standard sway so far. When we come forwards, we're going to change the dynamic a little bit. Instead of sending the lady more away from us, we're doing more of a small step with rotation to the left. From here, we're going to take the left hand up, we're turning the lady to her right, we're trying to get around as far as we can. Right hand stays low, so the lady wraps into the barrier of her right arm. The left arm tends to help everything out the higher it goes, within reason obviously. If it's down low, you're actually less likely to end up with the lady on balance. So actually quite high at this point is good. And then we use both hands to redirect the lady into a return. As the lady comes around, we can let go with the left. It becomes a return with the right, lower and back. If the lady looks like she's having a lot to do, for instance, maybe the floor's a bit slow, so it's harder for the lady to get around quickly, the guy does most of the step back. If the floor's fast and everything's going well, then you just do the step back as per usual. So let's do the same thing again from the other side and think numbers. So we go back, 1, wrap, 2, picking up the hand, sway the lady back, 3, preparation, 4, into the barrier, 5, returning, 6, and back, 7. So let's do it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a sway, barrier, it's a back, wrap, sway, prep, barrier, return and back. And that's the whole thing. Hope that works well for you and you enjoy using it out on the dance floor. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Liking promotes the move, subscribing promotes the channel. Big thank you again to everyone who promotes the channel in that way. And if you hit the notification bell, you get told every time a new video comes out, so you never miss anything. Music recommendation on the end. One of the windows that comes up will be for a music video that's a song that's good to practice this to, good speed, etc, etc. And the other things are things the algorithms think you'll like if you like this. So, as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you have enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.